If your iPhone screen is too big for you, I've got a clever hack that'll make it possible to use one hand and reach everything on your screen. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and while Apple has created incredible new iPhones with larger screens, making it easier to read everything, the screens are a little big if you have smaller hands, or trying to reach for everything in one of the larger iPhone models can cause your hand pain, and it just takes longer to do everything. Well, check this out. Use Apple's Reachability feature to bring everything on your iPhone screen within reach easily. Here's what to do. First, head to your settings and then tap Accessibility. Under the physical and motor options, you can tap Touch, then toggle on Reachability if it isn't already on. Now here's how to see this hack come into play. Head back to the home screen. Then you'll see the Spotlight search button. Swipe down just a little bit right underneath there like this, and you'll see the top half of your screen come down so that you can reach it with just one hand. You can do this anytime you need to reach an app on the top of the screen without straining your fingers or hand. For more tech hacks, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter.